I'm back, and guess where I am?
My life. Fun.
Of course, it's in the title. Soweto, Soweto. Guys, so yeah, here we are at Maponya Mall, going into Burger King for a little, snack, meal, something to bambisa. But yeah, guys, my name is Azul. If you don't know me, you should know me. Come on now. Come on. And yeah, please enjoy this one. And yeah. So I've been to Burger King, I think 3 times, and by far, this one, it's so nice. It's so aesthetic. If you want me to advertise the food, it's nice also. The drinks are what? Good. I mean, drinks are drinks, guys. You just get the refills as usual. But yeah, this one is so aesthetic. I like it. They put some thought into it.
Oh. And what's up?
Report, if you want.
In the morning, a day with me in Soweto.
So this video would be mainly visuals. I don't think you guys need to hear my voice. But yeah, here she's making me food.
Chips.
Ooh, that looks too good. Chef.
Yeah, guys.
The sunset is giving. Yeah, bo. Oh, Manu, we're checking. I mean, I'm swing.
All the gems.
We flopped it, but okay. This is too good. Like, wow.
Yo.
Jo.
I need a phone. So today, we have short ribs.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse and then you check the time. It's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. Everything was good, then you would feel alive.
Chili sauce. Thank you.
I know I said I won't talk, But guys, sometimes I know this is a gassy vlog, but sometimes we must have a healthy component, guys. We can't always eat kotas, which I didn't vlog, and maguinyas, which I forgot to vlog, but I did eat them. Sometimes you gotta balance it out and make a smoothie, guys. Yo, if you have a blender, make a smoothie.
Soup.
Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed a new, change of scenery, a new view, a new style of vlogging, and all that stuff. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, do the YouTube things, and then watch more videos, because I'm gonna keep posting till you get tired of me, which you never will.
Welcome to the Adult Spelling Bee. Today we are with
Azul, who ordered the Azul?
So Azul. Do you know how to spell?
Of course, I'm the man with the T. I'm Titi the barber.
Okay, let's start nicely. Can you spell delusional?
Delusional. D
Yes.
E L U Z I O N. Delusional.
That is very smart, Azwi.
I know
That is very smart. Where did you learn how to spell?
dude, I'm self-made. I'm self-taught. I do these things every day. Every day I sit down with my ABCDs.
That's nice. Okay, Azwi. If you get this one right, we're going to give you $20. Are you up for that?
Hey,
Okay.
900 billion.
You know the trade the forex. So please spell schizophrenic.
Aye, yazala wena. Okay.
You know how to spell.
Okay. Bengeli definition yana. I want islung.
You can choose to pass the word to another word.
Okay. Ngizoyithola $20 yami.
It's going to be $10 because
Hayi.
that is a
Yazi iskitso what. Yazi iskitso what. Utheni?
schizophrenic.
Oh, okay.
It is a mental disorder.
Okay. S K I Z